Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Roxanne, and today we are going to be unboxing Causebox. This is actually the third intro box. I went on to another account and I had to get it. It looked super exciting. I kind of forgot what's in here, and I didn't even check the spoilers after I bought it. So anyway, the intro box was $24.95. Plus, I think $7 to ship, $8 to ship. So, yeah. Okay, so this came with a crossbody. Okay. Let's see what I got. I was hoping for the brushes, but I think I'll take the felt board too. Come together. Okay, so I got the lids again, which is fine because I have lots of Tupperware and no lids to go with it. But I actually might even keep these and give them away for again. I don't think I knew that these were going to be in there. Do they have that many of them? Anyway, giveaway. So, the reason why I got this box was for this, and then the choice between the letterboard or the brushes, and I was really hoping I'd get the brushes. So, I'm kind of hoping I get the black for this purse, so let's see what I get. Nope, of course not. I think if you signed up for like annual, you would have been able to choose, but ooh, actually, this is really nice. I have just a little one right now, and I find that I'm constantly misplacing it, so. And I ordered the backpack from FabFitFun, so. I'm like, what, 2 minutes into this, and there's only one thing left in the box. So, yeah. Okay. So just to let you know that the Causebox market is open right now, same as the FabFitFun bonus sale. I have no idea what the bonus sale is. I am going to have to spend all of Monday cleaning up my makeup desk, doing my brushes. Oh. So this, I have to admit, is definitely worth the box. It's very sturdy. I actually really like it. I like the fact that I could probably stick my phone in here and not lose it. I am disappointed in the color, but I mean, that's not Causebox fault, right? Okay, so this is here. Snap a pic with your Pixie Mood. Post it on Instagram with my Pixie Mood. Follow Pixie Mood, and you can enter a monthly giveaway. Okay, so all of the packaging is foam or plastic used to protect straps or handles are recyclable. Okay. Okay, so let's see here. This is valued at $75. So this was a better value than I think. Like, I don't mind the and this is why I grabbed it, was because I was looking for a good crossbody. So definitely be using this. I just have to now find myself a nice wallet to go in here. Actually be able to probably put my other purse actually in here. But super nice. I really like that. So I think it was made for Causebox because it does say Causebox on it. Anyway. So I did get the Underwood press, which is fine because I will find some use for it. It did have one, if you guys remembered way back when. I bought one from, from Shoppers a long time ago. And I used it, and then I stopped using it. So this will be nice, actually. I might be able to, like, kind of put it up here or something. I don't know. Can you guys see it? Yeah, right there. Just with a screw or even some, like, sticky tack. Like, it's got the the thing on the back. It's really nicely made, actually. This is valued at $42. And it's funny because the brushes were actually valued at $24. So, okay, so the cooking hub set of 6 silicone stretch are valued at $8. The Grayson Style is valued at $25, and the Wild is valued at $16. Okay, so I mean, I didn't get what I really, really wanted, but I still got some pretty amazing things. I will definitely be using this. It's really nice. Oh, the Z has fallen off there. I will have to find somewhere to put it, and yeah. So anyway, that is probably one of my quicker videos I have done. So right now, Causebox has 3 spoilers out. I will put them all up in this video. First is the bathrobe or towels. The second item is the basil, indoor basil garden, and or the cosmetic pads. And then the third item is an artisan direct Milky Way lantern or Tea's Tea glass 3-in-1 fruit tumbler. So annuals will get to pick which one they want. I'm really hoping actually for that, for the tea. No, sorry, the lantern, because my daughter would just absolutely love it. Anyway, if you want to sign up, you must do it right now to get the fall box. If you don't want the fall box, you'll have to wait. I will let you know when the fall box sells out, and you can grab the fall welcome box, I believe it will be called, or the fall intro box. The last 5 boxes have sold out from Causebox, so don't be surprised if this one sells out, even if you aren't sure if you want it or not. I mean, yeah, it's worth a shot. Anyway, if you use my link below, you will save $10, and I will get some credit to spend in the market or on my box. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a great day, and please don't forget to like, share, and make sure you're subscribed.